gonna do cowboy.
Cowboy! I know I'm gonna lose.
Stop.
But this old woman is not normal. She's really strong, I swear.
It's too bad.
Ready, set, go.
You gotta try to push him.
Go.
Who's winning so far?
No, we don't know yet.
It's too dark.
Bitch! I need you, Mommy.
Here we go again.
Go.
You're acting like a retard. Who's winning? Tommy!
Get out of here.
No! You're gonna make me lose!
We already know Mommy's gonna win.
Put your elbow down!
She's cheating.
You're cheating!
She's not cheating. Stop.
Your elbow's down.
Ready?
Yes.
Set, go. Tommy, you're gonna make her lose a... Oh, Samantha, you're pretty strong.
I can only fight when I'm mad.
Don't let me win.
Damn it,